Prepare for a revelation that'll knock your socks off. According to a recent study by McKinsey, generative AI has the potential to automate 20% of tasks across various professions globally. That's right, a whole fifth of work could be handled by artificial intelligence. Picture this: a world where AI isn't replacing jobs but enhancing them. A world where AI is not an adversary but an ally in the professional landscape. Take the field of journalism, for example. Traditionally, journalists would spend countless hours researching, interviewing, and then painstakingly crafting their stories. Now, with generative AI, they can automate some of these tasks. AI can generate first drafts or summarize complex information into digestible pieces. This doesn't mean the journalist is obsolete. Instead, it allows them to focus on the more nuanced aspects of their job, like in-depth analysis and personal interviews. Now, consider the medical profession. Doctors are known to burn the midnight oil analyzing patient data, diagnosing and planning treatment. Enter generative AI. It can analyze patient data, identify patterns, and even suggest possible treatments. This doesn't replace the doctor, but frees up their time to focus on patient care and complex decision-making, the human side of medicine. The same story unfolds in the world of design. Once, designers would draft and redraft their ideas, a process that could take hours or even days. Generative AI can now generate multiple design options in minutes, allowing designers to focus on refining and perfecting the best ideas. All this is not to say that traditional methods are obsolete. They have their own charm, their own merit. They're time-tested and reliable. But generative AI offers an opportunity to break away from the mundane, the repetitive. It offers a chance to focus on the core, the unique aspects of our professions that make them more than just jobs. The future is here, and it's time to embrace it. It's time to start thinking about how to incorporate generative AI into your work. Step 1. Identify the repetitive tasks in your job, the ones that take up time but don't necessarily require your unique skills or perspective. Step 2. Research AI tools that could help automate these tasks. There's a wide range of resources available online, from articles to tutorials that can guide you through this process. And finally, step 3. Experiment. Start small, see how it works, and gradually integrate more AI into your work. Remember, it's a tool to aid you, not replace you. Generative AI is not a threat, but a game changer. It's a tool that can help us work smarter, not harder. So why wait? It's time to step into the future. It's time to make the most of what generative AI has to offer. Because in the end, it's not about man versus machine. It's about man and machine working together to create a better, more efficient world.